Hi everyone, welcome to SJ Infinity. This is Pushpa Jyoti here. Let us take quick recap of what we covered in the previous video. In the previous video, we studied how to write the compound statements symbolically, how to write the truth values of the compound statements, and how to write the negations of the given statement. I hope you remember all the logical connectives and the truth table of each of them. Knowing all this, we can proceed to the next topic in our chapter. Today, we will be studying about statement pattern, logical equivalence, tautology, contradiction, and contingency. Let us understand about statement letters. What are statement letters? Letters used to denote statements are called statement letters. For example, small p, small q, small r and small s, etc. These are called statement letters. Now coming to the statement pattern, let us define it. Statement pattern, it is a proper combination of statement letters and logical connectives is called a statement pattern. Statement pattern is also known as proposition. Okay. Let us see the definition again. It is given that proper combination of statement letters and logical connectives. Already I said you about statement letters. They are the small letters P, Q, R, S, etc. And what are your logical connectives? We have 5 logical connectives: conjunction, disjunction, biconditional, conditional and negation. Okay. When our statement letters and logical connectives are written in a proper combination, we get a statement pattern. See these examples. First we have P and Q, then P or R. Negation P implies Q, R if and only if S. These are examples of statement pattern. Okay. Here statement letters P, Q, R, S are called prime components. Okay. They are called prime components. Thus, with the help of proper combination of statement letters and logical connectives, you will get a statement pattern. Now, let us understand what is logical equivalence. Two statements are said to be equivalent if their truth tables are identical. That means, suppose if we have two statements A and B, if their truth tables are identical, that means same. If all the truth values in A matches with all the truth values in B, then they are said to be logically equivalent. Now let us see how to write logical equivalence of two statement patterns. Suppose if statement patterns A and B are equivalent, we write as A equivalent to B. For showing equivalence, we will be using these 3 lines. Now coming to tautology, a statement pattern whose truth value is true for all possible combinations of truth values of its prime components is called a tautology. That means the last column must contain only truth values, that is true. Tautology is denoted by T, small t. For example, P or negation of P is a tautology. Let us verify it with the help of a truth table. In the truth table, we write P in the first column and negation P in the second column and P or negation P in the third column. Since P is your statement, single statement, we will be having only 2 possibilities. One is true, other one is false. Hence the negation of P is false, true. P or negation P will be true or false is true, false or true is again true. Thus we conclude that P or negation P has the truth value true for both the possibilities, hence it is a tautology. Now let us see what is contradiction. A statement pattern whose truth value is false for all possible combinations of truth values of its prime component is called a contradiction. Contradiction is just opposite to that of tautology. In tautology, we get the third column as true, but in the contradiction, we get it as false. Contradiction is denoted by small c. We have an example P and negation P. Here also we are going to verify it with the help of the truth table. In the first column write P, in the second column write negation P, and in the third column write P and negation P. Since it is a single statement, we use only two possibilities, true and false. Negation of true is false and negation of false is true. Now apply conjunction over here. True and false is false, false and true is again false. Hence the given statement pattern is a contradiction. Now coming to contingency, a statement pattern which is neither a tautology nor a contradiction is called a contingency. Contingency means it is neither tautology nor contradiction. That means that third column is neither true totally nor false completely. It is a combination of both true and false values. Here we don't have any letters to represent contingency because it is also starting with C. The example is P and Q. Let us draw the truth table. Since we are having two statements, we will be having four possibilities: true, true, false, false, true, false, true, false. When we take conjunction of P and Q, you will be arriving at the answer true, false, false, false. That means here we have both true and false as their truth values. Hence, the given statement pattern is a contingency. So now you can differentiate between tautology, contradiction and contingency. In tautology, truth values are true. In contradiction, truth values are false. And in contingency, it is a mix-up of both true and false. Okay, now take a glance of important table for all connectives. Here I have given you a table where we can see all the 5 logical connectives and their truth values. Okay, I have given you P, Q, negation P, P or Q, P and Q, P implies Q, P if and only if Q. You can, with the help of this table, you can compare every logical connective and study it easily. And in a statement pattern, different symbols are considered in the following priority. We are going to give the following priorities in the statement pattern. They are: first priority is given to negation, then or, then and, if then if and only if. Hope you will be able to identify statement pattern, logical equivalence, tautology, contradiction and contingency in a perfect way. In the next class, we will be studying about the problems based on this logical equivalence, tautology, contradiction and contingency. Hope you understood today's lecture. Keep practicing. Like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.